Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Virtual Pharmacy. In this video, we are going to discuss about cough and various drugs used in the treatment of cough. Cough is a protective reflex shown by our body to expel out the respiratory secretions and foreign particles through air passage. Irritation of sensory receptors through various stimuli can produce cough. These sensory receptors are present in pharynx, larynx, and tracheobronchial mucosa. Cough center is present in the medulla portion of brain, and suppression of cough center can easily suppress the cough. Basically, cough is of two types, productive and non-productive cough. Productive cough should never be suppressed as it contains mucus along with the bacteria. So productive cough expel out the bacteria and mucus. Non-productive cough should always be suppressed as it is usually dry cough. Sometimes unprotective cough can also cause fainting and fracture of rib. Drugs used for cough treatment. Demulcent. Demulcent is used in the treatment of dry cough as it promotes salivation. Example of demulcent used are lozenges, cough drops, glycerin, liquorice, linctus containing syrup. Another category is expectorants, which is also known as mucokinetics. These mucokinetic drugs increases the bronchial secretion. As the expectorant increases the bronchial secretion, it can be also used in the treatment of dry cough. Example of expectorants or mucokinetics are sodium citrate, potassium citrate, potassium iodide, and ammonium chloride. Another category of drugs used in the treatment of cough is mucolytics. Mucolytics are responsible for increasing the bronchial secretion as it liquefies the mucus and facilitates the removal of mucus by coughing. Example of mucolytics is bromhexine. Another important category of the drugs for cough is cough center suppressant, also known as antitussives. These cough center suppressants suppresses the cough center present in medulla. Antitussives or cough center suppressant are divided into two types. The first category is opioids, which directly suppresses the cough center. Example of opioids are codeine, folcodeine, and morphine. Another category of cough center suppressant is non-opioids. Non-opioids drugs contains antihistamine drugs. These drugs helps in the relief from cough due to their sedative and anticholinergic action. In our previous video, I have discussed about the sedative and anticholinergic action of antihistaminic drugs. I will drop down the link of that video in the description box. Example of non-opioid drugs are chlorphendiol, chlorpheniramine, chlorpheniramine, diphenhydramine, dextromethorphan, and noscapine. That's all for cough and drugs used in the treatment of cough. If you like this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video.